guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am actually going to be doing a fairy makeup look. This is actually one of my cousin's idea, and then all of a sudden a friend of mine who is also a vlogger wanted to do this look, and so we're going to be doing this at the same time. So as you can see, here is a picture of my friend. Her name is Rhea Alona, and you can definitely subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when she uploaded a new content. So as you guys can see in here, I actually started off by applying a foundation that is much whiter than my actual skin tone. After that is we're going to bake the foundation using the loose powder that I have in here. This is to make it matte and of course to remove all the oiliness that I have on my face. Dusting it off as well using my unicorn brush that my boyfriend got me a few days ago. Next to that is we are going to actually make the color of my eyebrows lighter. As you guys can see, I actually have a really thick eyebrows and we're going to be applying some foundation to it, but the purpose is not to actually erase the eyebrows, but actually just to make it lighter. And then we're just going to be brushing this up so that when we apply eyeshadow onto it, the color is really going to pop up because of the light color of my eyebrows. So we're going to be using this maroon color of eyeshadow from my Naked palette. So this is going to complement the whole makeup. And of course, don't forget to do the other eyebrows as well with the same color that we have, which is maroon from my Naked Urban Decay palette. And we're just going to have to make sure that we fill in everything, and we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. For the base, I'll be using this orangey brown eyeshadow from my Naked Urban Decay. The name of the shade is actually Extra Bitter, so that's going to be the base of the eye makeup. Doing this look really made me realize that I'm not really good in a glam look makeup because I'm not really the kind of person who does my own makeup when there's a special occasion or something. I mean, I do my makeup, but just a regular one. So moving on to the eyeshadow from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I actually got the maroon color, and then I'll be having that applied on my outer eyelid, going to the inside or the inner corner. And then next is I'm going to be applying a black eyeshadow only on the outer corner of my eyes, going to the line of my eyelids, and then I'll be having that extended to the bridge of my nose, so that way I can make it look taller, and then I can create a little depth right there that makes my eyes elongated or something. And the next to that is I'm going to apply the maroon eyeshadow on my under eyelid. I don't know what do you call this? I don't know what you call this exactly. They said it's waterline, but I don't think it's waterline. But anyways, I'm going to blend it out using my blending brush, and we're going to move on to applying some eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. It's almost dried out actually, and I can't seem to find anything that I can have it replace, so I just settled with this. Next is we're going to be applying some false eyelashes. This false eyelashes is actually from my cousin Rika. Thank you so much for sponsoring the false eyelashes for this video. My false eyelashes doesn't really fit the look that I'm doing right now, because the one that I have is like the natural ones, and this one is more extravagant, so I'm using this one instead. And moving on, we are going to contour my nose using the contour palette that I have, and I'm actually using the dark brown color to make my nose look taller, slimmer as well, so that we can complement the look that I'm trying to do today. This is my first time doing some contour on my nose, so don't call me on this, please. Next is we are going to contour my cheekbones using this contour brush that my boyfriend got me as well. This is actually one set of brush that he got from me a few days ago. This was sent to me via mail, so I just wanted to say thank you once again to my boyfriend for sponsoring some of the materials that I'm using right now. So for the contour, if you guys have seen the movie Maleficent, I'm trying to somehow imitate the shape of her face, so that's exactly what we're doing. So that's why we're kind of doing this on my cheekbone and on the side of my eyes as well. And of course, we're going to be highlighting my nose as well to make it look more, I think, taller and slimmer. And of course, we're going to be highlighting my cheekbones as well for more gradient effect. Using this brush, we are going to dust off all the fallouts that I have on my cheekbones and on my nose from the eyeshadow that we applied a while ago. And next is we are going to actually tie my hair up, because using this hairnet, we are going to be making the effect, which is going to be the highlight of the makeup that we're doing for today. We're going to try to do like a scale of a snake on my forehead. So I'm going to be using this brush right here. I'll be using the black eyeshadow combined with maroon eyeshadow. And we're going to be making like an inverted triangle onto my forehead. Don't use super dark colors. I suggest if you want to use black, like what I have done in here, have it combined with other colors such as maroon and bright red. I'm actually using bright red on the edges, and then on the sides I'm using black with maroon combination as well. And once you're sure and satisfied with the shape and the amount of eyeshadow that you have, it's about time to take out the hairnet and do some adjustments as well. Just like what I'm doing right here, I'm actually making some adjustments since the hairnet actually left a mark on my forehead, so I don't want that to be obvious. I'm also going to be making like a little triangle in here just to emphasize the shape of the scale that I have done. So that's about it, and then little blending and that should be good. And I really found myself pretty with the hairnet only on the half of my face. I really think I look beautiful in this, or maybe it's just me. I don't know. And of course, I wanted to do those kind of effects on the side of my face as well, like on my cheeks. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm also gonna be using just the same color. So it's just gonna be black, maroon, and bright red color. Starting on the inner corner will be the dark color, and then bright red on the outer corner of my cheeks. Just like a while ago, if you're completely satisfied with the look, you can definitely take out the hairnet already. But make sure to take it out carefully. Do not make sure that it doesn't scrub your face, because it's gonna ruin the makeup as well. Also, I wanted to actually apply some more effects, so I'm also gonna be doing this on my collarbone as well as on my shoulder blades. Next is going to be the elf ear. I actually use scotch tape. I'm supposed to be using a paper tape or maybe a tissue paper for this, but I don't have any of those anymore, and this is the only thing I have. I also forgot to film. I thought I was filming it when I actually started doing this, but then when I look at the camera, nothing is filming at all. But yeah, I just cut the tape, put it on my ears, and apply some foundation, and that's it. I also wanted to make it more realistic, so I grabbed my brush, my eyebrow brush, and then I used the dark brown color to shade it into the shape of my actual ear, just to make it more realistic, I think, and to complement it with my actual ear. And of course, to complete the look, I have here a choker that I made using twigs that I found outside our house. And also, I created a headdress just 2 hours before filming this, using some twigs as well, and some fake leaves and an actual leaf, a mango leaves. Actually, I have it painted with black just to have it complement with the look that I have right now. So this is gonna be the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified once another video is available. Bye, guys.